So I was mentioning the example like reading phrases instead of words. So there is an example. I went to the store, bought eggs, but I forgot to get the bread I needed. So you have to break this sentence in the phrases. I went to the store. First phrase. Second phrase is and bought eggs. Third phrase is but I forgot to get. The fourth phrase is but the bread I needed. So you just have to train your brain to just focus on the main words instead of and you have to omit the filler words like to, the, and, but, or something like that. So you just have to focus on the important words like went store. You just understood, your brain understood, like you went to the store and bought eggs. You again understood, and the next third one is forgot get and the fourth phrase is bread needed. So in this way you're breaking the sentence in phrases and focusing on the important words. In this way you are increasing your speed. And if you want to calculate the words per minute, it is simple. Just consider, you may count the words that the paragraph you are going to read, or just find the calculated words on the Google or something, some internet. You will find the pre-calculated paragraphs, and with this way you can count your words per minute, your speed. And another tip I want to give, you must, when you're practicing, you must start with the familiar text, the text you have already read, or the topic you already know. This way you increase your speed, and you increase your speed. So I personally, I've been reading this book. I've been applying these techniques while reading this particular book, and I was able to increase 50 words per minute. My previous speed was 220 words per minute, approximately, and now my word per minute are 270 with the familiar text that I read. So I have to practice more to increase my speed. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.